Hello, everybody. It is December 22nd, and I don't know if you've been watching the news, but XRP just lost $2 billion in market value after the CEO of Ripple warned us of the SEC's plans of suing Ripple Labs because they sold unlicensed securities back in the day. And I don't know if you own any XRP, then make sure you watch all the way through because this is probably one of the most critical pieces of information that you need to know about today. Okay, guys, so this is what I want to share with you here. Ripple's XRP loses $2 billion in market value after CEO warns of a shocking SEC suit. And just to give you a quick summary of it, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse says that the SEC is naming him and co-founder Chris Larsen as defendants in a lawsuit alleging that the firm's XRP token is a security and therefore under the SEC's purview as opposed to a currency, as Ripple argues. So, though the SEC hasn't commented on the matter, Garlinghouse says that the lawsuit is set to be filed in the near future in federal civil court. Fortune First reported Monday night. Basically, this is obviously he has some sort of connections on the inside, and then word goes around that that lawsuit is coming. But we knew that they already have a lawsuit from way back with big investors in terms of they sold during their ICO, they sold those tokens, which are now being considered, or we still don't know if it is considered a security or not. But in the light of this looming lawsuit, we are obviously, it's looking like SEC is going to consider that being security. And if it is a security, that doesn't only mean that, hey, we're gonna change the whole architecture of the Ripple or XRP blockchain, or the way it works with the ledger and the inner ledger and just the general layers of how that system works. But now there's a bunch of other things from a legal perspective that are actually going to stop Ripple and XRP's growth. And this is some sort of I don't want to say bad news, but it is alarming, the fact that if we have a lawsuit saying that, and if this is actually true, then we will definitely see something that will drive XRP down. For the time being now, another thing that I wanted to share was this. For the most part, which is news right now, but though it has not committed to the idea, the Federal Reserve is exploring the possibility of creating its own central bank digital currency, Goldman Sachs said in a Sunday note. Officials have warned up to the idea of a central bank token, largely out of concern that wide adoption of alternative digital currency could endanger financial stability, which is true. U.S. financial intermediaries and the FED's ability to influence financial conditions, and that's what the Goldman Sachs analyst said. In general, other major branches in the U.S. government, including the Justice Department and the Treasury Department, have already determined that XRP is a currency. So even within our own government, officials and senators and all that, we have conflicting views of what XRP is a security or a token. And we obviously want it to be a token and a legal term, but it's looking like it's going to be a battle here. And obviously, we can already see the drop in XRP after that happened here. If I open the trading view, it dropped 18% from yesterday until today. And obviously, because all these big investors have been waiting on that, it's 19%. We've been waiting on it. People have been having their money on the side, trying to see if we get this regulation clarity. We know for a fact that if it is a security, this is dropping, and there's gonna be huge. We don't know what Ripple Labs are gonna do, or what the CEO is actually gonna decide, but he already warned us before that, hey, if we don't have this regulation clarity, because we want to work with you guys, even if it's a security, we will work around it. We don't really have to use the XRP token, but with this going on right now, and then this lawsuit looks like, I mean, I don't know if they're opening the doors for negotiations here, but if we're going straight to a lawsuit, then it's definitely going to be in the battle for XRP. And then with this whole bull run coming in right now, people are trying to profit off of this whole thing. I don't know if the money we can tell right now that $2 billion have left the market since yesterday. People are selling this, but we're not sure how, if people are taking that money to put on other altcoins or in Bitcoin or in Ethereum or whatever. But this is definitely going to affect how XRP will behave in terms of price wise during this bull run. So I'm not sure. there's just developing news right now. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and maybe I'm missing something. Maybe you guys see something else, but this is definitely a bit of a rocky path for XRP within the next couple of months to come. So yeah, so if you like this, guys, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. You can join our Discord group. We post this on a daily basis, and there's a lot of information to share there. So thank you very much, and have a good day.